Les Baer Custom Police Special is a .223 caliber semi-automatic rifle designed to include every important feature a police officer wants, but none of the stuff he doesn't. As a patrol carbine or high-energy tactical rifle, the Les Baer Police Special is the new class of the law enforcement market. It's loaded with the thoughtful, business-like features that make it a serious pro, and it's intentionally devoid of elements that limit the usefulness of a police rifle. The .223 Police Special features an A2-style flash hider muzzle, a bayonet lug, and a 16-inch button-rifled steel barrel that takes the overall length to 35.5 inches when the stock is extended. However, the black synthetic 5-position collapsible stock reduces for an overall length of 23.25 inches. It weighs 7 pounds 3 ounces. It sports a 4-way free-floated Picatinny handguard and a Picatinny flat-top rail on the upper for additional accessories. It also has a removable carry handle. The .223 Police Special has open sights and a manual safety and features 2 30-round magazines.
Les Baer Police Special, and let me tell you, it is special.